Ung Jing Kai, a 27-year-old Singaporean man, faces murder charges following an incident in Carlisle, a suburb of Perth in Australia. On May 24, 2024, at approximately 1:45 p.m., local authorities responded to reports of a collision involving a cyclist and a grey Kia Carnival driven by Eng. The cyclist was critically injured and transported to Royal Perth Hospital, where he tragically succumbed to his injuries. Police promptly arrested Eng and charged him with murder the same day. Investigations revealed that Eng may have deliberately struck the cyclist with his vehicle. According to local news, Eng and the cyclist had some potential property dispute. Passengers believed to be Eng's family or friends were present in the car at the time of the incident and have been questioned by the police. Forensic investigators thoroughly examined the scene, with Jupiter Street cordoned off to facilitate the investigation. The victim's nationality remains unconfirmed. Eng is currently in police custody and awaits his next court appearance at Stirling Gardens Magistrates Court on June 26th. This incident marks the second time in 2024 that a Singaporean citizen has faced murder charges abroad. If found guilty of murder in Australia, Eng will be facing the life imprisonment with a minimum of 20 years before parole.